Hi, I am J. Sophia Sanofer from 8th Standard B section. I am talk about the topic is the admirable Indian mathematician. First, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta 475-550 AD was the first well-known mathematician. He made the fundamental advance in finding the length of chords of circle by using chord method. He gave the value of pi as 3.1416. He also gave method for extracting square roots. Summering arithmetic series solving in determined equation of the type ax minus byc and also gave of sines. He wrote a he wrote a textbook for astronomical calculation, Aryabhatta Siddhartha. Even even today, this data is used to preparing Hindu calendar. It regards to his contribution to astronomy. And mathematical India first satellite was named as Aryabhatta. Next, Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya was well known ancient mathematician. He was born in 114 at AD is at Bijampur, Karnataka. He first discovered that any number divided by 0 is infinity and also sum of any number and infinity is infinity. He is famous for his book Siddhartha Srimania. It is divided into four sections. Leelavadi, a book on arithmetic. Bijanganti, algebra. Golgadaya, chapter on sphere celestial globe. Graham Ganita, mathematician of the plants. Next, Ramanujam. In 1905, Ramanujan enrolled at Pachayappa's College. Here he passed in mathematician, choosing only two attempts question that appealed to him and performing poorly in other subjects. Even Eventually, Ramanujam failed his Fellow of Arts exam in 1906 and again a year later. He left college without a degree and continued to pursue independent research in mathematics. These were the these were the days when he lived to extreme poverty, often on the brink of starvation. In 1911, Ramanujan published the first of his papers in the Journal of the India Mathematics Society. His genius slowly gained recognition and in 1930 he began a correspondence with the British mathematical Godfrey H. Harvey. In England, Ramanujan made further advance, especially in the partition of numbers. His papers were published in English and Europe journals, and in 1918 he was the youngest member to the Royal Society of London. Godfrey Hardy came up with scale of mathematical ability from 0 to 100 where Ramanujan was at 100. The sense of isolation and exposed to the cold English climate took a toll on Ramanujan's health. In 1970, he contracted tuberculosis. After a brief period of recovery, his health worsened and in 1990 he returned to India. Even with poor health, he was still continuing to produce new mathematical ideas and theorems from a letter of Hardy. Srinivasa Ramanujan, acclaimed as the greatest mathematician of the century, breathed his last on April 26. Thank you.